National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Calhoun, or 31 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calhoun, Rama, and Peyton. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.